Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video is going to be a special one. It's going to be about a beginner's guide to getting started selling 3D designs, particularly on Etsy and on other print-on-demand platforms. So I'm going to talk about my journey, and I'm also going to cover a couple of topics such as why I'm considering 3D printing, and I'm going to provide 4 reasons why you should start to dive in to trying to sell 3D prints. Also, I'm going to talk about how you can use this new income stream to create 4 revenue streams, all from one. I'm going to dive into each single revenue stream that you can do, as well as some of the resources that I'll be using, and I'll also expand on the first option. I will also talk about how I make use of 3D graphic bundles that I purchase, and also ones that I get for free. In the last video, I discussed this massive 461 free 3D graphic bundle with full commercial rights. So if you haven't checked that video out, this is a great opportunity. It's a limited time offer, no catches included, absolutely nothing that you have to provide. It's a free bundle provided by Creative Fabrica, which is worth over $8,026. You just download it, you get free commercial rights, and you get this huge bundle that you can customize and use. Especially important when you are getting started in creating your 3D print-on-demand business. I'll also cover some other topics as well, but these are the main things that I'll try to cover in today's video, and I will try my best to make it as condensed as possible to save you both the time and the effort required. So let's dive straight in and let's talk about why 3D printing is really important at this time of age. This time with the whole new technology, with the whole platforms that are available, how important is it to utilize working in 3D prints? Now, before we get started, please subscribe to the channel, support the channel. We try to do daily videos talking about passive income streams, as well as strategies and tips and tricks that I've tried myself, sharing income reveals also to help you learn and grow your passive income journey. Now, for the purpose of increasing the variety of income streams that are online, I decided to investigate this new stream of print on demand. It's popular, it's trendy, particularly on Etsy, and this is the art of selling print on demand 3D crafts, which are also known as 3D prints. Here are 4 reasons why I decided to join the 3D printing business. First of all, one advantage to this new income stream is that it brings together the knowledge that I've gained from selling on other print on demand products, such as t-shirts, phone cases, and stickers. And this also allows me to accelerate my learning curve. So if you've created products for other print-on-demand platforms such as Redbubble and Etsy, this is a perfect time to just utilize all the skills and all the knowledge that you've learned and push it towards 3D prints. Also, the second reason why I love 3D printing is that it brings together all the design and marketing skills that I've acquired over the years. This makes it easier to use the same methods and accelerates the progress of my brand. And the third reason is it avoids having me starting from scratch, because I could use my existing store on Redbubble, on Etsy, on Teespring to create a page or to add to my portfolio 3D prints, and that way I could use my existing audience, my existing store, saving me both the time and the energy. Now, if you have a store that you have on Redbubble, Etsy, or any other print-on-demand platform, I highly recommend you get started and utilize that store and include some 3D prints, experiment with them as you go. And the fourth and final reason why I consider 3D prints as being awesome is it's a new niche. The competition is less fierce now. This is a perfect time to enter. There's plenty of room for new creators to carve out their own niche within it, and a lot of potential for sub niches, specifically when it comes to keychains, when it comes to jewelry. 3D jewelry is really popular right now with spring coming, and we're heading into that lovely seasons where it's perfect to utilize it for jewelry, keychains, for stickers as well, for different kinds of designs that work best. So the 4 revenue streams that you can make from 3D prints. First revenue stream and first way to utilize 3D printing is you can start off by uploading your 3D craft designs to platforms such as Etsy, such as Teespring, and then you could also outsource the order processing, the printing, the shipping to another print-on-demand company. This print-on-demand company, what it will do is it will handle the entire process from start to finish. This is basically the quickest and most straightforward method of launching your business. And all you have to worry about is running your store and designing high quality 3D crafts. And there's a lot of great companies that you could use to outsource the printing and shipping and handling, and we'll discuss that later on as soon as we finish with the 4 revenue streams. So you can also, second option or second revenue stream that you can create from this business idea is you can make digital prints for your designs. You can create them using CANVA, Photoshop, Photoshop, whatever design platform you'd like to create your 3D graphics. And then you could sell them to other crafters who already have a 3D printer. You can make that and utilize it that way, because a lot of small craft businesses, they rely on designers to provide them with high quality designs in a digital format. And what they do is they buy these designs, they then sell them to their local customers. And you can provide each design with a commercial license, a lifetime commercial license. You can provide at the same fee as selling the design, or you can even extend that to provide the commercial license for an additional fee as well. And make sure you provide the SVG format of the design. You can easily do so in Canva and in most free softwares out there. Just simply download it as an SVG format, and what that does is it offers the buyer the opportunity to further customize and edit the design after purchasing it. Now, this method requires you to set up a store at an online marketplace such as Etsy, Shopify, Teespring, or Gumroad. And also Creative Fabrica offers that as well. If you intend to do so, just host a store at Creative Fabrica. You can find the link to that in the description box below, and you can host your products for free. You also get paid that way through multiple ways. The third revenue stream is you can invest the time, the money, and the effort in the 3D business. This is a worthwhile way. So what you do is you purchase a 3D printer. You can get these for about $150 to $200 at Amazon, at eBay. Also, they offer it at Etsy or at your local technology store. And you purchase a 3D printer. This allows you to design your creations while also printing them. But you need to keep in mind, remember that you are the one who is in charge of the printing, the handling, the shipping of the designs to your customers. And this is ideal for entrepreneurs who want complete control over each of the process and who want to make a long-term commitment to the 3D printing industry. And the fourth and final revenue stream that you could utilize for the 3D graphic design business is when you buy 3D graphic bundles, or when you get them for free at places such as Creative Fabrica and Creative Market. Sometimes they offer mega bundles for free with commercial rights. I covered that in the previous video. You can check that out and find the link to that in the description box below. So when you buy the 3D graphic bundles, you can open the SVG file in Photoshop or in Canva. You edit it by adding elements such as graphics, text, different colors, and then resell it for profit. This option would be great because when you purchase or when you get the 3D bundles, make sure that it offers commercial rights, lifetime commercial rights, and that will be able to help you to resell and to reuse the material. Now, with this method, what I love about it is you'll be able to sell to other customers who are interested in using the method number 1, method number 2, and method number 3 that we talked about. And it maximizes and it increases your overall earnings. So expanding on the first option, as promised, outsourcing using print-on-demand companies. What do I recommend? Now, if you decide to upload your digital 3D designs and offer a physical product, you would need to host your store on platforms that accept outsourcing print-on-demand. What are these platforms? Well, basically starting off Etsy, Teespring, Shopify, all these work best for this method. You can sign up with print-on-demand companies that will be able to process, print, and ship your order and customize it for you. The sites that I recommend, and I personally worked with shop3d.io. I also know Custom Cat also does the same thing as well, but personally I would recommend shop3d.io. It's a great place to handle the whole print on demand, and it does custom jewelry as well, and other merchandise with that as well. So what will I be using? The bundles that I purchase or that I get for free from Creative Market, Creative Fabrica, and Etsy. All these websites offer commercial rights to each of the bundles that they sell, which means that basically I would only need to add minor changes to the graphics, and I have full lifetime commercial rights to resell and to use as if they were my own. So I'm going to start ahead by creating some themed greeting cards, maybe for mom, for dad, for grandparents, for aunties, for friends, best friend, colleague, these kind of things. You can create a event-based greeting card. The options are limitless. So much options out there. You can also create digital prints that can be hanged and framed. You can create keychains. You can create jewelry and outsource to sites such as shop3d.io, which handles the whole printing and shipping. And you can also post your digital designs on Redbubble, Zazzle, and Teespring. Etsy is great as well, and I will also use CANVA. Because I have a premium account with CANVA, this allows me to create folders and organize it based on the bundles. So CANVA is easy to use, lots of features. I can combine the elements such as adding different colors, graphics to make a single graphic and make it unique. So I've included a free bundle that is available for a limited time only, and it is offered by Creative Fabrica. It includes over 461 elements that are beautifully designed, and it's been scoring a 5.0 out of 5, which gives it a lovely addition to kickstart your 3D business. Absolutely for free, no catches included. Check out the link below to download the free bundle. For the next 8 days of from now that I publish this video, this bundle will be available. Once this bundle has expired, don't worry, I will be on the lookout for further bundles that are similar to this one that are completely for free, and I will include them in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching till the end.